Assalamu alaikum. In previous lecture, we covered different features of consonants, different distinguishing characteristics of consonants, in which we talked about places of articulation and manner of articulation. But still, we see that there are two consonants having both same place of articulation and manner of articulation. So in this lecture, we will distinguish how can we distinguish such consonants, and a third feature of consonants that is called voicing. Okay, let's see. For example, we had two consonants p and b. We saw that they both have same place of articulation and same manner of articulation. Similar is the case with t and d, k and g, ch and j, sh and y, th and th. So in that case, how do we distinguish these two consonants? So we would discuss the third quality of a consonant that is called voicing. So basically, phoneticians divide consonants according to voicing into two types, voiced and voiceless consonants. So voicing is basically a kind of vibration that is produced in your vocal cords while pronouncing certain sounds. If that vibration is present, the sounds are called voiced. If the vibration is absent, the sounds are called voiceless. Voiced consonants require the use of vocal cords to produce their signature sounds. Voiceless consonants do not. So when the vocal cords are involved in the production of a sound, that sound is signatured as voiced sound. Otherwise, it is called voiceless. Both types, that means voiced as well as voiceless, they both require the breath, lips, teeth, upper palate to further modify the speech. That would mean that all the rest of the parts of the mouth, they are involved in the production of sounds, but the vocal cords, they are the determining factor of voiced and voiceless sounds. So the sounds with the vibration are called voiced, and the sounds without any vibration are called voiceless. In English, from 24 consonants, we have 15 of them are voiced, the rest of them are voiceless. An easy way to determine whether a consonant is voiced or not is to simply place a finger on your throat. Okay, as you pronounce the letter, you feel the vibration of the vocal cords. If you feel it, the consonant is voiced. For example, two consonants p and b. Okay, when you pronounce these two, place one finger or two on your throat. Okay, on your neck, there is a throat. Okay, we have talked about it, and then you place a finger over there. When you're pronouncing p, and then you're pronouncing b. Okay, then you have to determine and tell which one of the sounds are voiced and which of the sounds are voiceless. In one of these sounds, you feel a certain kind of vibration, and in other you do not. Okay, you have to determine which of these is voiced and which of these is voiceless. P, b. Okay, put a finger on your throat, pronounce these two sounds, and determine which is voiced and which is voiceless. P is voiceless and b is voiced. Okay, so here is this chart. You can see the sounds in the white, they are voiced, and the sounds in blue, they are voiceless. So when you say p, there is no vibration, but when you say b, there is vibration. Similarly for t, there is no vibration, but when you say d, there is a kind of vibration in your vocal cords. Similar is for k, g. When you say g, there is a vibration. Okay, f, v. Place your finger on your throat and you would see when you're pronouncing v, there is a vibration and it is voiced sound. But when you pronounce f, there is no vibration and it is voiceless. Okay, similarly for th and the. When you pronounce the, there is a kind of vibration and it is voiced. Similarly for sa, it's voiceless, and za, it's voiced. Sh is voiceless and za is voiced. J is voiceless, j is voiced. These are the singular occurring consonants. Okay, we see in the chart, for example, here. Okay, these ma, na, nga, there's no sound with the same place of articulation, manner of articulation, yet we have to determine whether they are voiced or voiceless. We see that these are voiced consonants. Only her, when we pronounce her, there is no vibration and it is voiceless. Okay, here is how we represent voiced and voiceless phonemes. Pa is a voiceless phoneme, that's why we write a negative besides it. Okay, ba is voiced, so we write a plus sign. Okay, some people write it by its side, some people write it above it a little bit. Okay, to show whether they are voiceless or they are voiced. I hope it is making sense. This way you can distinguish each consonant from the other. These are voiceless and these are all voiced.